Hi, I'm Heather, and this is Swellen. We're with TestOil, and as one of our data analysts, Swellen, water is one of the most destructive contaminants that enters a lubricated system. And I was wondering if you could tell us a little bit about the different forms of water that get into a lubricated system.
Hi, Heather. Yes, sure. So the three forms of water are dissolved, emulsified, and free water. Dissolved water means individual water molecules dispersed throughout the oil. Once the amount of water has exceeded the maximum level for it to remain dissolved, the oil is saturated. At this point, we are talking about an emulsion. The addition of more water will lead to a separation of the two phases, producing a layer of free water and a layer of oil.
Okay, that makes sense. So when you talk about the three forms of moisture, dissolved, emulsified, and free water, is there one of those forms that you feel is more of an issue than the other?
So in a lubricating system, the two most harmful phases are free and emulsified water. Water will have a degrading effect on both lubricant and equipment. In the equipment, rust can be formed from the corroded components. It can be even result in a chemical reaction with some additives through a process known as hydrolysis.
Okay, and so then when it comes to these different forms of water, what test methods can be used to detect each form?
We have the crackle test that is just a quick audio-visual inspection where a drop of oil is placed on a hot plate to determine if water might be present. If the result is positive, we automatically add a Cal-Fisher test to quantify the amount of water. Cal-Fisher titration is commonly considered the most reliable method for measuring water. This method uses a temperature-controlled oven where the water will evaporate and react with iodine. If there is a layer of water present in the sample bottle, we will actually use a ruler to measure the total sample versus the water layer to obtain the percentage of water present.
And would that be a ruler like the one you used in elementary school?
Yes, exactly that one.
Okay, perfect. And I do know that people are always interested in learning more about water and oil since it is kind of a common contaminant as well as a destructive one. So I did want to provide a link to this ebook with this video. And Swellen, thank you so much for joining me today.
Thank you.